So that is very good. So he encourages people to join social media. Hi, good morning. How are you?
Hi, good morning. I am awesome. What's about you?
I'm very well. Thank you so much for asking. Great to see you again.
Yes,
So welcome to my session for the first time. Today we are meeting for the first time, right?
yes,
So could you
right.
please introduce yourself briefly?
Yes, I am Pooja Kumari. Currently, I am living in Delhi. I am as
Okay,
a working professional, as a backend executive, and as well as I am learning a sales and also English.
wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. So tell me today while talking, if you make any mistake, when do you want me to correct you? On the spot or towards the end? What do you prefer?
On the spot.
On the spot, right? So I want to point out one mistake. You said, I am living in Delhi, correct? So it
Yes,
will be not be am living, I live in Delhi.
I live in Delhi.
If you say I am living in Delhi, it means you are temporarily living in Delhi. Okay.
Okay,
I am living is temporary living. But if you say I live in Delhi, it means you permanently live in Delhi. Okay.
so I think I make right sentence. Actually, I am not living. Means it, I don't live in permanently here.
Okay. Okay.
I
Then
mean
in that case, use the word currently.
currently.
Yeah. Currently, I am living in Delhi. You are living here currently, right?
Yes.
But then you use the word currently, I am living in Delhi.
Okay. Currently,
Okay.
I am living in Delhi.
Yeah, that's
Right?
the clue word. Currently, I am living in Delhi. Otherwise, people will get confused whether you live temporarily or permanently. All right. So that is the thing.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Great.
That is. So now, today, the topic of our discussion is uh, uh, there is an extempore topic. All right. There are two extempore topics. You can choose one. One is it better to be influential or rich? That is one topic. And the other topic is parents should choose their child's career.
Okay.
Yes.
First one.
Yeah. Which one will you choose?
First one.
Okay. Tell me, it is better to be influential or rich?
For my suggestion, influencer.
Okay. Tell me why.
Influencing to other people. Why? Because if we are influenced to someone, like we are impacting, we are helping to others. Means
Okay.
they are believing on me, they are believing on me, they are giving the respect when we are in influence, when we
Yes.
are becoming influence. So it's important to me because
Yes.
it will because the influencer is more socialized and more trustworthy to other people. So that's why.
So influencers are most trustworthy. Influencers are plural. So influencers are okay.
Okay.
Very trustworthy. Okay. Are very trustworthy. Then you said they are believing in them. You are using the present continuous tense. Tell me what you said. They are believing in them, right?
They are believing in them.
That is wrong.
They
So they
they
believe. People believe in them. So
okay.
you are using you have the habit of using the present continuous tense. Okay. What is the present continuous tense? Like I am living. Present continuous. Okay. They are believing. That is present continuous tense. So don't use this present continuous tense for a general statement. You are making a general statement, right? Like people believe the influencers, right? That's a general statement. So don't use people are believing. Don't say that. Say people believe the influencers. Okay.
People believe.
Believe the influencer. Simple present tense you are using. All right. So carry on, please.
People believes in them.
Believe in them. Believe.
People believe. Yeah, right.
Yeah. Because
Plural.
subject is plural. Subject plural, so verb will not have a S. Okay. People believe in them. Yes. Tell me. Carry on.
People believe in them.
Yes. Perfect. Okay. So now tell me, what else do you want to say about this topic?
Yeah, influencer.
Yes. Influencer is like, as an influencer, why is it better to be an influencer?
Influencers are better because influencers are very trustworthy, and
Okay.
people believes in them. People believe
Okay.
in them.
Yes.
Yes, and for very trustworthy and very respect respect
Respectful. Respectful.
respectful. Okay.
Yes. So you can say, how will you say people respect them? Sorry. How will you say people respect them? Tell them. Tell me.
People respect them through like if influencer always active in social media,
Uh-huh.
providing providing good and valuable content to other people,
Yes.
so that other people can improve their life through that 1 minute or 1 minute or 2 minutes videos. So influencers are impacting the life of other people through providing valuable content mm, by their videos.
Yes. Absolutely. So, you said influencers always active on social media. Okay. Then influencers are always active.
Influencers
Are always active. You said
okay.
you said influencers always active on social media. You said that. Okay.
Yes.
But it will be influencers are always active on social media. Are was
Okay,
okay.
influencers
Are
are always
active on social media, and they provide a lot of valuable content.
yes.
Correct. So do you consume social media? Do you have any favorite influencer whom you follow?
Yes, it's Gary V.
Sorry,
Gary
Gary.
V. Gary
Okay.
V.
Tell me
Gary
about him.
V. And Gary V always post very genuine content. Means
Okay. On
he, huh? Yes,
on so genuine content on.
genuine content on reality basis. Means
Okay.
that if you are like Gary V started his business at the age of I think 40
Okay.
to 45. So many people face age issue like he like they
Correct.
are late to enhance himself. So
Yeah.
that's why Gary V, when you see Gary V post, Gary V post, he always post reality content. Reality basis means you are not so late. If you think, if you decide, then you can start your content now, right now. Don't sit, don't waste your time. Just start and make a content. Means
Abs-
if you feel that I have to create a means who is who wants to come on the social media. So just take out your phone and just start. Don't
oh,
think too much. So Gary Vee always post reality, not like fictional. It's
oh,
always say it always say truth, not
okay.
fake content.
Right. So, um, small correction. You said Gary Vee always post real content. right?
Yes.
So Gary Vee always posts S.
Gary Vee always. Oh, I thought
Gary is,
always. Oh, okay.
no, Gary Vee is singular. Gary Vee is
Yes.
singular, right? So the verb will have a S. Opposite of the last one. That was people was plural. So
Yes.
people believe, not believes. No S. But Gary Vee is singular. The singular subject, then the verb will have a S. So Gary Vee always posts. Okay.
Okay.
The content
Gary Vee. Gary Vee
always
always posts.
posts. There will be an S, additional S, right? Content. Then he said, um, his content always portrays the truth. His
Yes.
content always portrays. The word is portrays. Instead of saying says
Portrait.
the truth, use the word portrays. His content is portrays.
Spelling.
Potrays. I'm messaging it to you.
Okay. Portrays. Okay. Portrays. It's meaning like saying the truth, right?
Yeah, saying the truth. You know, like
Okay.
portrait. You know, you paint a portrait. So
Yes. Yes.
portrait, it is saying the truth. This is a word. Okay, vocabulary for the day. Portrays the truth means says the truth or represents the truth. Okay,
Okay.
that is the meaning of portrays over here. All right, that is true. So that is very good. So he encourages people to join social media.
Yes.
Very good. So are you a social media influencer?
Yes. I am also posting the videos.
So do you have a YouTube channel?
Yes. I have two YouTube channels and plus Instagram also.
Wow. So what is the content that you post?
First YouTube channel is like food and travel.
Okay.
Food
Okay.
and travel, and second is like we are learning, and that kind of thing I'm posting.
Okay, wonderful, wonderful. So, when you say food and travel, how do you like? Do you travel a lot?
Right now I'm not traveling, but
Okay,
earlier I traveled a lot, and I firstly when I was started YouTube channel,
uh-huh.
I just post making food, means what kind of food I had eaten, that
Okay,
kind of food I made, and I just upload it.
right, absolutely. I uploaded them, past tense. When I started, when I started, uploaded the food that I cooked. Right, you uploaded them,
Yes, yes, yes.
the past tense. Okay, that is
I
there. And now,
upload.
what do you do now?
Now I am posting like we are learning, so we are posting that, means this content that
Okay.
improve, means I am also improving my English speaking. Other people this help also,
Other
and
people, other people are also getting benefited.
other people are also getting benefited.
Yes,
Okay.
absolutely. By your content. Very good. So you are also an influencer.
Yes.
Very good.
And
So I will give you a feedback. You expressed your thoughts very clearly. The content was very good. So what you just need to do is to be careful of the singular plural subject verb agreement. You are missing out on that.
okay.
Like, he posts, they post, that
Yes,
one.
yes,
Sometimes you're missing out on is and are. People
yes.
are influenced, you're missing out on is and are. Otherwise, the points that you mentioned are very good. Keep it up. Okay, your content, the thoughts that you're expressing are very good. You just need to polish your grammar a bit. I just mentioned. Okay, and try
Okay.
to use good words, which I just told you. Portrays, this is a very good
Okay.
word. Also use good
They,
words that will also help you, okay, to express your thoughts more effectively. It was lovely talking to you, Pooja, and I would love to talk to you again. Okay, have a
yes,
wonderful day.
sure. Thank
Bye.
you.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.